Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be combining pre-contact through contact flowing into chi sao, defending a front kick and punch, following up with a round kick, and working our way through chi sao. But before we do that, I need you to click the buttons to like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you everybody and have a great day.
So now let's look at a defense from a shuffle front kick. We're going to implement the T-step gan sao and the lob sao. And then on our interruption, we're going to work our cross-arm chi sao and a piece of set 3 from the wind dummy. So let's just start. Keith's going to shuffle. We're going to do a cross-arm with a shuffle front kick, and Josh is going to do a T-step gan sao. Same hand, he's going to take a lop and punch. He's going to check and punch to finish. Okay, let's do that 2 more times. Gan sao, lop sao, check and punch. 1 more time. Gan sao, lop sao, check and punch. Okay, come back in center. So now, right from here, he's going to shuffle, take the gan sao. He's going to work the lop sao punch, and straight away, Keith's going to throw a round punch. And here, we're going to take the pak sao gan sao. So we've done this in 2-arm chi sao, cross-arm chi sao, and in set 3 on the wooden dummy. Again, gan sao, lop sao, defend the round punch, pak gan, jet chun, lop and chop. 1 more time. T-step gan sao, lop sao, pak sao gan sao, check and punch. Good. So everybody, this is where at level 7 you should really be looking to combine all your elements, implementing your cross-arm chi sao, your 2-arm chi sao, and then take sections from different forms and apply them in your combat techniques.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.